Well, listen, I'm here in downtown Anchorage, Alaska, where a husband and wife and daughter team are taking Italian deli to the next level. This is Originale Cafe and Deli.
Lasagna's ready for table 3, please.
Everything that they have here is just delicious.
Do you taste the difference compared to what you'd call an average deli?
Oh, yeah, the bread, meats, the cheeses.
Spicy coppa.
Everything's from Italy. Everything's really authentic.
Just like owner Sergio Ancelotti.
Moved to the United States when I was 5 years old. In Brazil, and then met the wife. Went to Italy.
Italy, United States, and Brazil?
Came up to Alaska looking for a real authentic Italian place and just couldn't find anything. So I said, this is where we're gonna do something.
It really, truly does bring me back to my studies in Italy.
It's become like our Friday lunch date.
Okay, there you go. You know how to prepare it, right?
Absolutely.
So it's a market, a deli, a restaurant, to-go, catering?
Yep. The focus is paninis and our pizzas now.
Pizzas?
Pizzas.
This is not like any other kind of pizza. It's a Roman style. It's nice and light and crispy. It's just perfect.
So we're gonna make the pizza dough now. Wheat flour, rice flour, soy flour, and then a blend of sourdough. And we add water.
Now we just go into proof. 72 hours.
Yep. A little pillow here.
Treats it like a little baby.
Into the tray and bake it.
What temp are we gonna cook this at?
500 degrees, 7 to 8 minutes.
Then we're gonna bring it out and top it?
Yeah.
I guess you'll tell me when we get there.
Yes.
Good talk. Where are we going? You'll know when we arrive.
Pinza Puttanesca.
Today I had the Puttanesca pizza. It was really delicious. Fresh cut meats on it.
The olive tapenade is so good, it feels like it's 16 ingredients in there.
What's the next step?
Tapenade to put on that puttanesca. Green olives, capers, the secret spice,
The bomb,
olive oil.
which you make here.
No.
We've got our par-baked.
Pizza dough. You know what this is, right?
That's the mother sauce.
Shredded mozzarella with provolone. Tapenade. Now we're ready to bake.
Let me guess. 391 degrees for 11.25 minutes.
500 degrees for 7 to 8 minutes.
That's where the magic happens.
Mortadella, stracciatella.
So fresh mozz and a little heavy cream. This is high end. It doesn't even eat like pizza crust. It eats like brioche. Really nice texture. The pepper sauce is just a whole different category of itself. I'll eat that on a flip-flop. The stracciatella gives this total juxta flavors: sweet, salty, crunchy, tangy, smooth, silky. That's something different, man. May look like pizza, but it's outrageous.
La Puttanesca.
Everything that's on there is just completely different from a regular pizza.
Super fresh, and the cheeses just really bring it home.